Alright, let's watch the Dominoes get the first game. Haha! Welcome to the first episode of Talking While Playing Dominoes. I'm your host, Mike D.
With the co-host, Big Trippin'.
And we'd like to welcome y'all to our first episode where it's pretty much like the title say. We talk about good subjects while we play dominoes. You know, we'll play one good hand. So if you don't know how to play, watch the show. We'll teach you how to play, you know, just by watching it. As you saw in the thumbnail, the first episode, we're going to talk about the NBA playoffs. It's that season. It's that time of the year, man. You know, I'm a Heat fan.
Hey, I'm a Hawks fan, but hey, you know, I still love basketball, so that's what we're here for.
That's what we're here for. And we're going to start off with the dominoes. We get 9 dominoes. I like to use the tray. Nice and washed. Once you get it started off, we're going to pick 9 dominoes. 6, 8, 9. The rest of them going to the grave, boneyard.
We start off with the big 6.
Yeah, whoever got the 6s is always the one that started. Tear this man up. Yeah, this weekend, man, we had the first week of playoffs, first games. We had some upsets too, man. That's the ones I was surprised about. What surprised you the most out the whole weekend? What game?
The most surprising game of the whole weekend was the Lakers. The way they got taken. Hey,
Me too.
They got took. You know.
Me too. I just knew they were gonna take that. But they was at home too, wasn't they? Oh, no, they wasn't.
No, they
Was they
actually
at home?
at home.
They was at home. Yeah.
Minnesota had a playoff game, a play-in game.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So
Yeah.
that's what got them in. So.
They just took the whole lead of the series too.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna start off with them 6s, man. Let's get this money. We're going by 5s. That's what it is.
Sure.
Yeah, the Lakers game, man. To me, I feel like Luka will by himself that game. The rest of the team didn't show up.
The rest of the team.
The rest of the team, I don't know. The lights might have been too bright. I don't know what's wrong with LeBron. It's hard to say with him. But it like the team didn't show up, man.
Yep.
Okay. What's that? 14. I get
LeBron?
15 points.
Okay. Start off with he come in, get a little change on it early.
You can do it. You can do it. Yo, let's go on to another one. Who we got? OKC and Memphis.
Oh yeah.
What you think about that series?
That's gonna be a rough series for Memphis.
I was finna say, cause they got blowed out. I think they beat them by 40, 50
It's gonna
points.
be a rough series for Memphis. I'll tell you that.
Yeah, I don't see them getting. I think that's gonna be a sweep, man.
Yeah, it's gonna get ugly. I'll tell you that. Ja, you know, Ja do his thing, man.
That's how I feel like.
Can't too much count Ja, but he needs squad. He needs some.
Yes, he do.
Yeah, he needs some
Who
depth.
that cat he got? Jaren Jackson. You know, I can't really call him a star yet.
Nah, you know.
Other than
Young
him,
players still need development.
I
That's
got
all
15,
that is.
I got 15, right? I got 20. On Talvin your ass.
Oh, that man
early.
is trying to really score on it, huh?
Yep. Who else we got? We got that. What's in the Western Conference? Clippers played somebody, didn't it?
The Clippers played.
Was that Denver?
Was it Denver? Denver. Yeah, they up one.
Mm-hmm.
They definitely up one.
I got 25. Give me 35. That's 10 more. So right now I got 35 now.
Yeah.
All right. What you think about that Eastern?
Eastern Conference.
Mm-hmm.
Well, of course, you know Boston
They the defending champs.
Defending champs, so we'll have to see where they going. Where they,
I think it go through them.
It definitely go through them. But they got Cleveland right there on there.
Yeah.
Right there with them. The matchup with them gonna be something else.
Man, we got them. I'm a Miami Heat fan, and I don't think we're gonna get one. I hope we do, but it's looking rough. Cleveland deep. Donovan Mitchell, they got a real star.
Y'all lost a lot, Miami now. Y'all
yeah. You know, Butler, he jumped ship on. We got Wiggins, but he ain't. I don't know. I think he ain't no leading. He is like a 2-man, 3-man.
They like 2 men.
He like a Pippen. He ain't the Mike though. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
He still need a star player.
All right. I hear that.
Got this. 14 on the board. What I got? 35 plus 15. 50.
Yeah, they were 5 in there.
Objective of the game, you know, to score by 5. If you don't know. Got them going in the graveyard. This is when you don't have a domino. You pick from there. Until you get one.
Boneyard.
Score right now should be what, 50 to 11.
Boneyard.
Got some real pressure on this guy.
I need a point, man. Get something in 10.
Trip is on the board.
Man, trying to
50 to 10 right now.
Run through the game. No point.
Let me share that with you.
Okay. He's still coming.
60 to 10.
Don't come live like that. See, can I get you in the boneyard? At that time. Yes, sir.
60 to 10. 75 to 10.
What?
You said I had all them 5s.
They the last one of them. Yeah, you gonna end up messing something up here in a minute. So I am one.
Which way did he go? Which way do he go?
So right here.
Okay, 13 on the
You
board.
gotta pull out some more. You gotta pull out something else.
I got domino right now.
Huh?
Got one domino.
I'm gonna keep that away from you.
Who you got going to the finals?
To the finals. Possibly, I'm thinking OKC.
Okay, you got
In the
OKC
West.
coming out the
Out the
West.
West. OKC, I think, coming out the West. Now, they still have Golden State on the trail. And Denver can't count them out either.
Dog.
But hey, it's gonna be interesting. I think them young boys gonna hold up. I think they're gonna win.
You got Boston coming out the East.
And Boston, between Boston and Cleveland. You know what I'm saying? Cleveland look good. I mean, like Dominoes playing it.
I'm gonna jump out on a limb, man. I still think them Lakers is just gonna do something, man. I don't know what it is, man. They just got too much talent. I got the Lakers out the West in Boston. We're doing classic NBA finals.
20.
20 more, you had 10, that's 30 to 70. Good play.
Yeah.
Good play. You probably got all of them there, 3s too.
Get in now. That's what I'm talking about. He all of them up.
Let's go.
Yeah, that's what we want.
Oh, hell, all this money on the board. 5, 10, 15, plus 10.
You know,
That's 25.
Man,
95 points. He almost got me there. I looked at it, I said, man, hold on, there's some points right there.
Does not know why I didn't catch that one.
Yeah.
That's what you call flipping points right there, man. This man just left some money on the table and I just let him have it.
If I wouldn't have seen it, he would have called it, it would have been his points. Was that Muggy?
Muggy like a muggy.
I got 90. I think 90 or 95. So y'all see what it is, man. Episode 1. This is pretty much what we're gonna be doing every show. We're gonna eventually have a guest on here, man. Well, we'll get more in depth with these topics. You know, this is our first go run, just to kind of get a feel of the show. Hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that like button. Join the movement. That is out there. 15, 16, 17.
No money.
Objective is to run out of dominoes first. Whoever runs out win the game, if you don't know. I feel like I'm pretty good at this, unstoppable. So whoever out there wants some, You know what it is. I will call out names, but you won't see the episode. You know who I'm talking to.
Yeah, very interesting.
Got that pressure on it.
I gotta make you play something different. Kick it with them things there. That's what I gotta do. I gotta come back through another side, through the side door on them.
Can't do nothing. Fast.
No. They wanna lock the board on?
Have he locked the board? If he locked the board, whoever got the most one?
I locked the board.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, you did.
Yes,
Whoever got the least amount of points. I got 12, 13.
Oh, look like you did already.
14, 13 plus 4, that's 15. Oh, that's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I got 20 points over here.
18, sir.
That's your money.
Yeah.
And that's the first episode,
And
man.
that's Dominoes.
Talking while playing dominoes. We want y'all to stay tuned, man. Like I said, hit that subscribe button, man. I'm your host, Mike D.
With your co-host, Big Trip.
We're going to be doing this every week, man. Stay tuned. And we out of here.